thieves lurking on Christmas Eve?
Oh, easy, bud. Ain't looking for a fight.
Huh. I fight guys like you on the way to the fight.
They were trying to rob our farm! Get 'em, boys!
I'd put that back where I found it if I were you.
That's mine!
Ow! Why is there a porcupine on this farm?